Come hurry up.
I'll steal it. I'll steal it.
Okay, calm down. Turn this off.
Nobody cares.
Okay. First of all, what if those presents light up? How am I gonna take it?
You're just gonna unplug it.
Unplug it.
Find a plug. Unplug
Take a deer. No, we need a deer.
Oh, take a
I
deer.
can't take it.
So I don't think we're pull the driveway so like the neighbor doesn't see us.
Yeah.
What?
Pull the driveway so that neighbor
Stay
doesn't see
right
us.
here.
Do it.
Okay. Now after I grab whatever it is, where can you sit back? After I grab whatever I get, where am I gonna put it? That's what
You're
another
gonna throw it
thing.
in the back. Elise will meet us at the corner.
A whole deer.
Yeah.
We gotta go in the
Get a
driveway,
small
you
deer or
guys.
something.
You know
We
why?
have to go to that neighbor.
Because the neighbor, we have to go in the driveway so he doesn't
All right.
see us.
Get out then now so we can
All
make
right.
a run for it.
I have to make sure how they
Get a reindeer.
What the deer?
I'll do it. The big one. Not the big one. Oh, oh my God. You owe him a reindeer? Go, go, go. You have to go. Back in the car.
Hurry up.
I gotta get in the back seat.
No, get in here now. Jesus. I'm just getting down the street. We'll handle it later.
Okay, Tyson, move over as much as you can. Move over.
Can't.
Where are we gonna put you? Get in the car. I wanna get out of here.
I can't get in.
Okay, get in. We gotta fix the deer. It's all jacked up.
The leg is dangling.
It's a turtle.
I